Lindsay Standen and Barry Standen, we're the directors here at Pro-Tech Automotive. We have been established since February 2013 and this is our third building now, 28,000 square foot. We started in a 1,200 square foot unit. We now have 12 ramps and 13 members of staff.
I think the main challenge was, as we grew bigger and bigger, it was mainly the organisation and the paperwork side of it. So we was obviously paperwork here, there and everywhere, getting lost job cards, you know, getting wet, getting oil on them. But obviously when it's all integrated on a system and the tablet, it was just made the world of difference to the organisation of the workshop, the loading of the workshop, the allocation to the technicians. It was just night and day basically in organisation of the business as a whole. Yeah, we demoed a few different garage management systems. We decided to go with TechMan because we felt it was the one that suited our business as a whole, basically across the board. It did everything that we wanted to do and probably more at the time. But as it did more at the time, it helped us to grow into the system as well. And the system has obviously grown with us.
It was quite easy, the process to get up with TechMan. We had on-site training given for a couple of days and it helped massively and we've not looked back since. Very easy process.
Yeah, I mean, as I said before, the system, it's really simple to use. It's really good and simple to organise the day, the calendar side of it, the customer records, not just the organisation side, but the customer retention side as well. So we have the retention of, you know, the MOT reminders, service reminders, which obviously keeps our customers coming back to us. Yes, as before, since using TechMan, obviously, because we are more organised and more streamlined, then obviously it has helped improve our profitability, also the efficiency of the workshop as a whole. So yeah, it's helped massively on that side.
Yeah, if we need any support, we can just phone TechMan and they support us over the phone. There's nothing that they've not sorted out for me in the past. Quite happy with how they interact with us, meet up at events and things like that. And yeah, it's very good support.
We would definitely recommend TechMan to other garages, just on the basis that how it's helped our business grow as a whole, how more organised we are, and how much more efficient we are as a business. Yes, I would definitely recommend it to anyone out there looking for a garage management system.